You gotta be kidding, we're overweight? All right, so we got some funny wear on these tires. You can see that inside tread is wearing on this axle. And I've also noticed spacing between these two tires on this side of the trailer. Is different from this side. And I got some funny wear on this tire on the other axle. So these axles are out of alignment. So we're heading into Missouri in the St. Charles area. So we're going to, I've made an appointment with an RV repair shop to align the axles on this while we're visiting Kathy's sister. So we'll kill two birds with one stone. All right. Whew. All right, so we got our axles aligned here at Complete Auto and RV Repair Center, and they manually had to adjust the axles so they'd run true again, and it only cost with tax $214. So that was really good. So they did a good job. They actually plugged the trailer in so to keep the batteries up until we could get back to pick up the rig. So very good people, and I'm very pleased. Very pleasant experience. So Complete RV Repair here in Newtown, Missouri. And they do auto body work, car work, and RV. And as you can see, it's a pretty big center. They do storage here also, but nice. They did a good job. I'm real happy with them. All right, time to hitch up and get this beast out of here. So we lifted the trailer up with the jacks, and then they didn't have to put any hydraulic jacks under the trailer, which always makes me nervous. All right, so we got two new tires on there, two brand new Goodyear Endurance tires, so that worked out well. And now with the axle alignment, we should be good to go. Now, a couple of weeks back, I stopped at a truck stop in South Dakota, is actually where it was, and we weighed the truck and the trailer together at on a CAT scale at a pilot station. So it showed that the axle weight on the trailer was 10,700 pounds, and it showed the individual axle weights on the truck, the drive wheels and the steering axle, and it showed my gross combined weights was 21,800 pounds. The truck is maximum combined weight is 21,100, so we're 700 pounds over on the combined weight rating. And then I just weighed the truck today at another weigh station without the trailer, and then I was able to calculate what the actual weight is on the trailer and what the kingpin weights are, and we're exceeding the limits there. So even though there's only 10,700 pounds of weight on the axles on the trailer, which is good because the axles are rated for 6,000 pounds each, so that means they can handle 12,000 pounds. So we were okay there. And that was my concern when we had that funny wear, that we were maybe bending the axles, so that's why I wanted to check the weight. But the weight on the axles is good. What's going on is most of the weight is up front on the trailer in the basement and that, because the weight on the rear axle of my truck was right there at its limit. So almost 7,000 pounds on the rear axle of this truck, and that is the maximum weight you can have on that. My calculations shows that the trailer weight is 13,800 pounds. So, or 13,740, that's what it was. So we're over by 740 pounds there. And so that's not good, because on the sticker, on the trailer, it shows what the dry weight was, which is 11,180, and then the maximum vehicle weight should be 13,000 pounds. So we're over. So I got to get rid of 700 pounds. And that's going to be tough. So things that we haven't used in a long time, we'll start there, start ditching that stuff, weigh it as we take it off, and hopefully we can get rid of 700 pounds. There goes some of the tools, I think. The tools tend to weigh a lot, and just carry the bare essentials is what's going to happen. Kathy goes, well, I don't want to get rid of this and I don't want to get rid of that. Well, you know what? We're going to have to. No choice. I can't see messing up the trailer. So, and I'd rather this rig be safe. So we've been overweight for a good long while here. So with the funny wear on the tires, it really made me think about it. So that's what's going on. We're probably not going to get this done here. I'll try and peel off some of the weight now, and then when we get to Florida, I'm going to have to get rid of some stuff and slowly get this down to what the proper weight. All right, so the moral of the story is, when you pack up an RV, you know, for full-time living, you should take it to a truck scale and weigh the whole setup and look at each individual component of this weight. What I mean by that is looking at the trailer axle weight, make sure that falls within the guidelines of the capability of the trailer. The total combined weight, that is your tow vehicle and the trailer together, what is that total combined weight? And look at the rating on the tow vehicle, make sure that it doesn't exceed the gross combined vehicle weight rating. Really important. That really impacts your ability to be able to stop the whole load. And then to weigh the truck separate and determine what the actual total trailer weight is, to make sure that you're not over on spec on that one also. So I should have done that when we first started out and didn't. And then especially switching over into this trailer, I knew the load carrying capacity of this trailer was not as much as the other trailer. So but I'm glad I did this, and now we know, so we can get this all squared away and get everything into spec, and then it will all be safe. Alrighty, so until next time, happy camping. Bye. Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.